Amazon isn't just for shopping. It's a money-making goldmine. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 strategies that people just like you and I are making a full-time income through Amazon. I've done Amazon for 4 years now, and I've tried all 3 of these methods. So I'm also going to highlight the easiest one to make your first dollar with Amazon. Okay, let's get right into it. Number 1, private label. This is by far the hardest way to make money on Amazon. I'm going to explain it in 2 different manners. Number 1, you buy products from a manufacturer, whether that's China, whether that's Europe, and you create a brand name for it. Let's say, for example, my name, Jay's Plushies. I'll stick my brand name onto the product, and then I will list it on Amazon. It's basically like starting a brand, starting some type of company, and then just launching it through Amazon rather than your own website, okay? So that's number 1. Number 2 is, let's say you have a clothing company. Let's say you have a bracelet company, and you wanna launch it on Amazon. That's considered private label. So now all of your marketing and all of your efforts are done through the platform. That is the second way of doing it. Now, it's very difficult because you have to learn how to market. You have to learn how to do advertising. The demand isn't already there as if it would be for name branded products, okay? So that's the number 1 way of trying to make money through Amazon. And it's very difficult, but it has the biggest opportunity because if you build your brand, you have the opportunity to sell it. Number 2, online arbitrage. This is buying brand name products from online retailers that you probably already buy from. Ulta Beauty, Target, Walmart, and then reselling them on Amazon for a higher price. But I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work? Yes. Me and millions of other people, just like you and I, have been doing this for years. Now, I have a little note here that says, your chance to resell products that you love. Literally, CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, Creme Brulee, it doesn't matter what it is. If it's a brand name that you love, you actually have an opportunity to sell it and make some money on it, right? So the way to scale this is buying more products, more brands from more retailers, and then continuing to sell them on Amazon at a higher price. Number 3, wholesale. This is similar to online arbitrage. However, you are buying from distributors and wholesalers around the United States in bulk and at discounts. However, you're going to need some cash. Now, this is where the old school Italian neighborhood to loan you some money comes into play because these wholesalers and distributors are going to want bulk orders to give you the steep discounts. Now, we're talking $500, $1,000. It could be hundreds of thousands of dollars. But this business model is much more scalable because it's reliable. You can buy in bulk. You can do it frequently every month, and it's consistent. So the wholesale model, a business model that I am doing now, is very scalable, and it's an essential transition from online arbitrage into wholesale to continue to scale your business, to make it an actual business, and make money with Amazon. Okay, the easiest out of all 3 to make your first dollar is online arbitrage. I hope you guessed it, but it is the reality. Online arbitrage is the easiest to get into the Amazon business because you don't need a lot of money. You don't need a lot of knowledge. You just need to start reselling products. These other 2 are great business models, but they require some money, they require some capital and some skills. So if you're ready to start making your first dollar selling on Amazon, start an account, send me a screenshot and tell me you did it.